One day, Arav and Ria were given a maths puzzle by their teacher. The teacher wrote 2x square minus 3x plus 1 on the screen. Arav and Ria both sounded confused. They said this is such a long and confusing problem to solve. How to solve this? So don't worry. Hi, I'm Avneet here from PlanetSpark, and in today's video, I'll make you understand that the factorization of the polynomials can be done by reducing them into smaller parts, by writing them as a product of two simpler ones. So in today's video, we learn what are the factors of a number, identify the factors, find the greatest common factors, and factorize the expression. Let's come to what are factors first. When an algebraic expression can be written as a product of one or two more expressions, then each of these expressions is called factors. Do you remember in junior classes we have done how to find out factors of 24? So yes, the factors of 24, that means all the numbers in whose table 24 comes, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 24. Even 8 is the factor of 24. So factors of 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. All these are the factors of 45. So you know how to find out factors. We have done a factor tree method also in finding out factors. If I have to factorize 12, I can say 12 is either 1 into 12. 12 can be further broken as 2 into 6. 6 can be further broken as 2 into 3. So we know how to find out factors. Now we would be factorizing the polynomials by taking out their greatest common factor. How to find out greatest common factor of polynomial. Supposingly I am giving two polynomials 6x cube y and 18x square y cube. To find out their greatest common factors, first write down their factors. 6x cube y. 6, the factors of 6 are 1 into 2 into 3. So 6 can be factorized as 1 into 2 into 3. X cube means x is coming 3 times. So x into x into x into y. Similarly, 18x square y cube. Now the factors of 18 would be 1 into 2 into 3 into 3. Further, I can factorize x square as x into x. And we can write down y cube as y into y into y. Now what do we have to do is we have to take out the common factors. We are finding out greatest common factors, so let us take out common factors. Now if you can see, 2 is coming one time in 6 as well as one time in 18. So 2 is a common factor. Similarly, 3 is also coming one time. So 3 would be a common factor. Now x cube, out of x cube, I have x into x square as common, and also we have y as common. So the greatest common factor in this case will become 2 into 3 into x into y, that is 6x square y. Now basically what we have done is, I'll just give you a simple trick how to find it out. What you will do is, you will find out the greatest common factor of your numerical term as the way you are finding out. For the variable parts, just take out the smallest degree of the variable common. Now x cube y and x square y cube. X square and y are the smallest degrees out of both. So we'll just take out the smallest degree common. Next is 7x, 21x square, 14xy square. Now 7x can be written as 1 into 7 into x. 21x square can be written as 1 into 3 into 7 into x, and 14xy square can be written as 1 into 2 into 7 into x into y. Now 7, 21 and 14, the greatest common factor is 7, as we know. Out of x square and xy square, if you see, it's the smallest possible degree of x, is x, and y is not coming in all three terms, so y is not common. So 7x is going to be my common factor. 42x square yz and 63x cube y square z square. Now 42x square yz can be broken as and factorized as 1 into 2 into 3 into 7 into x into y into z. Similarly, we can write down 63x cube y square z square as 1 into 3 into 3 into 7 into x into x into x into y into z into z into z. Now what we are going to do is, we are going to take out the smallest possible of all the numbers out. Now what we are having is 42 and 63, the common factor will be 3 into 7, 21. Now x square and x cube. So the smallest possible degree is x square. So we'll take out x square as common. Similarly, y and y square. There are two degrees of y and y square. Y is the smallest one. So we will write down y. And z and z square. Again, the smallest degree is z. So we will write down z. Just take out the smallest degree out of 2 as common. So my greatest common factor will become 21 x square yz. Next number, 4a square b cube can be written as 2 into 2 into a into b into b, minus 12a cube b would be written as minus 2 into 2 into 3 into a will come 3 times into b, and 18a raised to the power 4b cube would be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into a will come 4 times, and b into b will come 3 times. Now taking out common, the greatest common factor of 4 minus 12 and 18 is 2. Also, I have told you to take out the smallest possible degree common. A square, a cube and a power 4. The smallest one is a square. So we will take out a square common. Similar, a square will be my greatest common factor. Out of b, we have the degrees as b cube, b and b cube. So the smallest possible again is b. So we'll take out b as common. So my greatest common factor is 2a square and b. Just remember, take out of the variables, take the smallest degree common. Now we learn how to factorize by taking out common. We'll take out the common factors first. 3x minus 9. Now 3x minus 9, the greatest common factor is 3. Out of 3x and 9, the greatest common factor is 3. We'll take out 3 common. Inside the bracket, if out of 3x I have taken out 3 common, inside bracket I would be left with x. And from 9, if I taken 3 common, I would be left with 3. So 3 bracket x minus 3. 5x minus 15x square. The greatest common factor is 5x. Let us take 5x common. In the first term will become 1. And out of 15x square, if I take out 5x common, I would be left with 3x. So 5x bracket 1 minus 3x. Similarly, 20a power 12b square minus 15a power 8b 4. The greatest common factor in this case of 20 and 15 is 5, and a power 12, a power 8. So a power 8 is the smallest one, and b power 2 is going to be my GSF. My greatest common factor is 5, a raised to the power 8, b raised to the power 2. When I'll take it out common from the first term, I would be left with, if I've taken 5 a raised to the power 8 and b raised to the power 2 common, in the first term I would be left with 4 a raised to the power 4. Rest everything has been taken out common. From the second term, we would be left with minus 3ab raised to the power 2. So that is my answer. Next part, 2x cube y square minus 4x square y cube plus 8x y4. Now the greatest common factor of 2, 4 and 8 is going to be 2. So what I'm going to do is, out of x cube, x square and x, the greatest common is x, the smallest degree is x, and similarly the smallest degree of y we are having is y square. So GCF is 2xy square. Taking it out as common from the first term, we would be left with only x. Rest all the numbers have taken out common. From the second term, I would be left with minus 2xy, and from the third term we would be left with 4y square. So in today's video, we have learned how to factorize the polynomials by taking out greatest common factor. This was Avneet from PlanetSpark. Keep learning, keep growing. Don't forget to subscribe. To book your free demo, check the link in the bio or simply type pspark.in in your browser today. Thanks for watching.